y'all, it's Kat from Kat Southern Charms. Today we're gonna do something brand new. We're gonna try Resin Polyurethane. It's a new resin. It works very quickly. It cures white. It is a plastic. You see here it has a 10-minute cure time. It only has a 2-minute work time. The good thing about this is you don't have to stir it for 3 or 4 minutes. You don't have that long. One quick stir to make sure everything's incorporated. Pour it in your project and let it go. Low viscosity, which means it's very thin and no odors. I don't smell anything. And it's a 1-to-1 ratio, either by weight or by volume. Either one is fine. Because it's so thin, they both weigh the same. And I tested that. Now, we're gonna do this pretty little girl, a little dragon. I wanna see, because I use their Chameleon powders. I love their Chameleon powders, I use them a lot. And I wanna see if this polyurethane will pull the mica off the mold when it cures. So, here we go. I have part A, part B, measured out. Once I combine these, we are on the clock. So you ready? Let's go. I'm gonna get all this in here. I'm not gonna worry too much about all of it. I'm going to stir. I want to make sure that it's all incorporated. And y'all, I'm telling you, 2 minutes goes by very quickly. So much so that I forgot to put my gloves back on. All right, so I gave it a quick stir. Now we're going to fill up our mold. Oop. You saw that, didn't you? Can be a little nerve-wracking. Make sure we got all of our little areas covered. Ooh, we're gonna have some left, looks like. This is 8 ounces, y'all. All right, I'm gonna let that go. Where is my, woohoo. Where's my other mold? Y'all. All right, so let's pour some little bears. Oof. Can't tell very well. And let's pour a nameplate, or a placeholder, not a nameplate. It's a placeholder. Y'all knew what I meant, didn't you? All right, let's make sure all these, oh, I can smell a little bit. Okay, that's it. Good to the last drop. Now, all right, I'm gonna move this up here. Our bears up here. And now we're just gonna wait. Clean up my little mess. Get rid of these. Wipe my stick off. All right, y'all. And I'll see you in a few minutes. We're back. Y'all, that was so fast. That is some crazy stuff. Look at that. Done. Look at these babies. I'll have to trim this up because it overflowed. Look at that, crazy. Look at our girl. Look at her through. How cool. She's bright. I hope all this comes off. Let's see. Let's undo this beautiful little dragon baby. Now I need you guys to comment below. Okay? What do you think we should name her? She's got to have a name. What do you think it should be? This is still warm, but I think it's okay to take out of the mold. I like to fight a little bit. Ooh, y'all. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Are you ready? Ta-da! Look at that. The excess just breaks off. Y'all, that is so adorable. I love it. Now, you know I'm gonna go in with some markers and fix her eyes, add some details. Y'all, this is so cute. That took no time. Like 15 minutes and I'm back. Already pulling it out, showing you. That is super quick. Now, let's check out these are like placeholders. If you're having an event, you're having a wedding, a birthday party, rehearsal parties, that's what this is for. If I can get it out, there we go. Okay. All right, you see that little part there? That is the cutout here. So it sits like this, and your business card or your name card goes right there in that little slit. How cute is that, y'all? I love it. All right, let's pull out our babies. But I'm gonna have to clean up. I'll have to trim. But look at them. No bubbles. Perfectly smooth. You don't have to seal it like you would. Just break it apart. Look, this breaks right off. Look at that. Ta-da. Just break it off. Super easy. Y'all, this is crazy. I am loving this. All right, so I have to trim the rest up. But, super cute. And these, you can put in little packs, a kit. So kids can color them, use acrylic markers, metallic markers, whatever you want to do. These are adorable. I really like this. And I can tell you right now, I will be using this again. Do you like our girl? Do you think she'd look better if it was a black resin behind her? Or do you like her like this with the white that like pastels her out? Leave me a comment. Are you gonna go get this and try it? You definitely should. Believe it or not, I have a discount code for you guys to use. They gave me a code. They're not sponsoring the video. I don't have any sponsors for the video. So if you want to drop some change in a little jar to help offset the cost for these things, I'll put all that in the description for you. Every little bit helps and is much appreciated. But that's it, y'all. That's a super quick, fast intro and video to this new polyurethane that works super quick. So you know the drill. Make sure you do all the YouTubey things so you don't miss the next one, because I have more fun stuff coming like this. How about some colored UV resin? That's coming soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, ding that bell so you don't miss the next time that we're here. Leave me a comment. What should we name her? Anyway, till next time, guys. Happy arting. Ta-ta for now.